In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access without login to Google in the Google Gemini Windows app. If you want to try Gemini quickly without signing in, or you're on a shared device, this walkthrough will get you up and running in seconds. We'll open the Gemini launcher, choose the No Account option, enter a sample prompt, and send it. Along the way, I'll share quick tips so everything is smooth and secure. First, on your keyboard, press Alt and Space together. This is the Gemini quick shortcut on Windows that calls up the small command or prompt window on top of whatever you're doing. Press both keys at the same time. Either Alt key works. When it registers, a compact Gemini box should appear on screen, ready for input. If you're in a full-screen app, you might see it centered. Otherwise, it can appear near the top. That's your cue that Gemini is listening. Next, in that window, look for the option that says Sign in without account. Sometimes it appears as Continue without signing in. Click that. This opens Gemini in guest mode, which means you can ask questions without connecting a Google account. Keep in mind that guest mode may have limited features. Your conversation history typically isn't saved, results aren't personalized, and certain integrations may be unavailable. That's normal for a quick, no-login session, and it's perfect for simple lookups or quick brainstorming. Now try making a prompt. Click into the prompt field and type something straightforward like, "What is biology?" Clear prompts work best, even in guest mode. If you want to refine your question, you can add a short detail, but keep it simple for this test. Avoid adding personal or sensitive details since guest sessions aren't meant for storing information. As you type, you can use basic editing keys to fix typos so the model clearly understands what you're asking. When your prompt looks good, press Enter to submit. Gemini will think for a moment and then return an answer right in that same window. You can read the response, ask a quick follow-up, or close the box when you're done. If you don't see a reply after a short wait, check that your internet connection is active and try pressing Enter again. And that's all there is to it. You've opened Gemini, continued without logging in, typed a sample prompt, and sent it successfully.